Dear students, today we will discuss correlation diagram of 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction. For this, we have an example, that is butadiene compound is reacted with ethylene compound and we will obtain the product, that is cyclohexene. In cyclohexene, the new bond is formed, the sigma bond is formed at that position and second sigma bond is formed at that position, and one of the pi bond is also formed. Total pi bonds is 3, but in product it gets reduced by 2 units. Okay, therefore only one pi bond is remained in product, and therefore the new pi bond is there and 2 sigma bond is formed. Let us draw the butadiene and ethylene molecule for such a fashion, and product is we have driven in such fashion, and try to find out the uh, symmetries. Okay, vertical plane of symmetry and the horizontal plane of symmetry. Okay, in these reactant molecules, when you pass planes like that, then there is a sigma vertical plane is present, but when we try to pass the plane horizontal plane like that, there is no two equal parts we will obtain by such horizontal plane of symmetry, but therefore horizontal plane of symmetry is not present in reactant, and also horizontal plane of symmetry is not present in product. Only vertical plane of symmetry is present in product. Okay, therefore we will only uh, correlates vertical plane of symmetry of orbital of reactant with the vertical plane of symmetry of the product. Okay, let us draw the correlation diagram. We already know that how we can draw the diagram for the butadiene and ethylene system. For butadiene, there are the two pi system, first pi system and the second pi system. Okay, for each pi system, two electron for this and two electron for this. Okay, therefore for this system, for each two, okay, there are two pi bond is present, each is having two electrons, therefore there are total four electron is present, that is 4q, and 2 electron for this ethylene molecule is there, therefore it is a 4q plus 2 system. Okay, the buta, we can construct the butadiene diagram, and we can also construct the ethylene molecule, and we can also in product side we have to construct the such sigma bond, first sigma bond, second sigma bond, and third pi bond orbitals we have to construct inside of at the side of product. Okay, reactant side we can write at the left hand side, and product side we will write the at right hand side for construction of correlation diagram. Okay, therefore first things we have clear here, there is only one symmetry is present, that is vertical plane of symmetry is present, therefore we will correlate the vertical plane of symmetry of reactant with the vertical plane of symmetry of product. Okay, let us draw. We have already driven this diagram. Okay, for for butadiene, there are four orbital is present. We have construct here the 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, in this case first stable one is the stable orbitals. Okay, in this case this is a first stable orbital, because in this case all there is a bonding interaction. Okay, all there is a bonding interaction, therefore this is the more stable. Okay, second one is the, okay, this diagram we have constructed according to the energy. Second one is there is a bonding interaction, therefore it is stable than this. Okay, therefore first stable, second stable, third there is a in third case you can find there is a one node is present, therefore this is our bonding interaction, and bonding interaction one node is present. Okay, fourth molecular orbitals, in fourth molecular orbitals there is node. Okay, there was such nodes is there, but one bonding interaction, negative negative, there is bonding interaction, there is node is there. Okay, therefore anti bonding, bonding anti in this positive negative anti bonding, negative negative bonding, and this is the anti bonding. In this case positive negative, only one anti bonding is present, therefore it is this is less stable than this system. Okay, and this is a most unstable system, because anti-bonding interaction, anti-bonding positive negative, anti-bonding negative positive, anti-bonding, it's all anti-bonding interaction present, node is present. Therefore these orbitals we have firstly taken the butadiene, more stable things, then ethylene, it's stable than this, unstable than this, therefore second one, but this is stable than this butadiene system. Okay, therefore we have construct these diagrams according to the stability. Okay, in second case there is sigma bond. Okay, sigma bond, we have to show the sigma bond. Okay, if suppose sigma bond we have to show like that. Okay, sigma bond we have to show, this is our head to head overlap. Okay, in sigma bond there is head to head overlap. Okay, the first sigma bond and second sigma bond. Okay, therefore firstly sigma bond is stable, therefore we have written the this first sigma bond positive 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 bonding interaction. In second case is, okay, in first case there is a sigma 1. Okay, in first case there is sigma 1. Okay, therefore no node. In second case, okay, sigma 2. In second case there is a one node is present. Okay, therefore this one node we have started from this negative positive, and in this case, okay, in this negative positive, then no node is there, positive negative, but after that one node we have given, here is we have given one node. Okay, therefore positive in this, therefore it changes negative positive, and no node is there, therefore negative, only one node is present. In third pi bond there is no node, therefore positive positive as it is. Okay, this then positive negative is unstable than this system, because it's directly attached, positive negative is directly attached, positive negative is directly attached. Okay, second this system, okay, this system is a pi 2 system. Okay, pi 2, one node is there, therefore one node we have given. Okay, in this case we have given node here, positive get changed negative. Okay, at these cases there is a psi 3. Okay, this is a psi, sorry, sigma 3 star orbitals, and 3 have given the number, we have given the number 3, therefore it has the two nodes. Okay, therefore first node, okay, we can give such system nodes. Okay, okay, for such system we can give the nodes first node, second node, and the third node. Okay, first, second, and the third node. Okay, first, second, and third. Okay, in this case we have two nodes, therefore we not given the nodes first and second. Okay, symmetrically we can give the first node and the second node. Okay, symmetrical we have given the first node, we start with, okay, always start with this negative, and from this we started with these orbitals negative. Okay, we started the our bottom orbitals, we have started this orbital always started with the negative, and then according to the nodes we will changes the sign. Okay, in this case we have given the node at this position we have given the node, therefore we start negative positive, no node, positive negative, node is there, therefore in this case positive will get negative, positive, no node is there, negative as it is negative. Okay, first there are two node is there, therefore first node is given, and second node we have to give the, at this position we have to give the second node. Okay, because symmetrically we have to adjust the nodes. Okay, we'll start with negative, negative, positive, there is node negative positive, no node is there, negative as it is, negative positive, node is there, negative, there is change positive and the negative. In such cases there are three nodes is present. Okay, we will start with this. Okay, this orbital we have, firstly we have with the negative positive, node is there. Okay, in this case there is node, positive change negative, positive, node is there, negative will be changed positive, and the negative, node is there, positive will change negative and the positive. Okay, let us find out its symmetries. A vertical symmetry, in first case there is a, when we pass the plane, vertical plane, it gets symmetrical. When you pass the plane, symmetrical one. When you pass plane, positive negative. Okay, therefore when you pass the plane there is no two equal parties produced, therefore asymmetric. In this case when pass the plane, negative negative, positive positive. Okay, same two equal parties produced, therefore symmetric. In this case unsymmetrical and unsymmetrical. Okay, in for such orbital, when you pass the planes, the positive negative, positive positive, positive positive, negative negative, negative. Okay, two equal parties produce symmetrical. In this case when you pass the planes, negative and the positive, okay, no two equal parts, therefore asymmetrical. In this case when you pass the plane, positive positive, two equal parties produce. When pass the such planes, middle plane, vertical plane, symmetrical. In this case unsymmetrical one. In this case when you pass the plane, it's symmetrical, positive positive, negative negative, positive positive, negative positive, symmetrical one. And at last case, pass the plane, then negative positive negative positive, therefore unsymmetrical. Okay, we have find out the its symmetry. Okay, let us draw the symmetries and try to find out the whether it is thermal. Okay, firstly we have to consider the thermal case. Okay, total 6 electron is there, because these two electrons, and this is 6 electron there. We have filled 2 electrons, second orbital 2 electron, third orbital 6 electron we have filled. No excitation is there. Okay, okay, this in this case, okay, there is no 2 electron is there. Okay, only empty orbital is there. Okay, therefore to 6 electron we have filled. Thermal condition, no excitation is there. Okay, symmetric, symmetric, asymmetric, symmetric, asymmetric, asymmetric. Okay, symmetric, symmetric, asymmetric. Firstly we have the symmetric, symmetric, asymmetric. So, okay, bonding we have on the dotted lines. Then symmetric, asymmetric, asymmetric, symmetric, asymmetric, and the asymmetric. Okay, second case, symmetric, asymmetric, symmetric, asymmetric, symmetric. Oh, okay, like that. First was the symmetric, then symmetric, asymmetric, symmetric, asymmetric, symmetric, and the asymmetric. Okay, we have correlated like that. Symmetric correlated with symmetric, symmetric correlated with the symmetric, asymmetric correlated with the asymmetric, symmetry, symmetry, asymmetric correlate with the asymmetric, asymmetric is correlate with the asymmetric. Okay, this arrow is not passes through these dotted lines, therefore thermally 4 plus 2 reaction is the possible. Okay, since ground state orbital symmetry of reactant correlates with the ground state orbital symmetry of the product, therefore 4 plus 2 reaction is the thermally allowed. Okay, in second case, if reaction is the photochemical reaction is there. Okay, for symmetric, symmetric, asymmetric, symmetric, asymmetric, asymmetric, symmetric, asymmetric, symmetric, asymmetric, symmetric, asymmetric. Okay, that dotted line we have to draw at this position. Okay, in this position we have written the dotted line, because two electrons, then two electrons, one electron get excited. Okay, therefore we have driven the such draw line where when your electron is, okay, at this position no electron, therefore okay, no electron, no electron. Okay, at this position no electron, no electron. Therefore, we have to draw the lines where from this orbital no electron. Okay, from this orbital at this position no electron is present. Okay, from this no electron. Let us correlate. S is correlated with S. S is the correlate with S. A is the correlate with A. Okay, this line is cross this. Okay, S is correlated with this. A is correlated. Okay, there is no correlation because this arrow is crosses these dotted lines. Okay, therefore 4 plus 2 photochemically is disallowed reaction. Okay, like that way we have explained the 4 plus 2 correlation diagram. Thank you very much.